Pamper your hair with a DIY hair spa routine at home using 5Elements products. First, cleanse your hair and scalp with the Moroccan Red Clay shampoo. This shampoo effectively removes dirt, excess oil, and product buildup, leaving your scalp clean and refreshed. Follow up with the Moroccan Red Clay conditioner to hydrate and detangle your hair. This conditioner replenishes moisture and essential nutrients, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. Once a week, apply the Moroccan Red Clay mask to your scalp and hair. This mask deeply cleanses and detoxifies the scalp, removing impurities and product buildup, leaving your scalp refreshed and revitalized. Indulge in this DIY hair spa routine once a week for healthy, nourished hair that radiates shine and vitality.